Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Mr. Habbas. Today I'm going to be talking about few, a few, and quite a few. As many people ask me about the difference between them. So what is the difference between few, a few, and quite a few? Before we go any further, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you are notified every time I post a new lesson. Now, let's get started. So, few and a few both mean more than one, but not a huge amount. So both of them, few and a few, talk about a small amount. Okay, small amount. However, there is a big difference between them. There is a big difference between few and a few. Few means not many, while a few means some. So if you say to me, I have few friends, I will be so sorry for you. I have few friends. This means you don't have many friends, okay? But if you say to me, I have a few friends, this means you have some friends. And maybe you are so happy with them, so congratulations, okay? Very nice. Let's give more examples for few and a few. What do you think?
I have got few apples in the refrigerator.
Very nice. So this means you don't have many apples, right? Yes.
I have few photos on Instagram.
Very nice. This means you don't have many photos on Instagram, but of course, don't worry. You can post many more photos and you have time, okay? Okay, very nice.
I have a few devices like iPhones and computers.
Very nice. You have a few devices. This means you have some computers, some iPhones. Very nice.
There are a few books on the shelf.
There are a few books on the shelf. This means there are some books on the shelf. Very nice. Now, let's talk about quite a few. Quite a few. And it's as it's written on the board here, quite a few, not as some people say, a quite few. No, it's quite a few. And this means a lot of. So this is synonymous with a lot of. So if you say to me, I have quite a few friends, I will be very impressed. So I have quite a few friends means I have a lot of friends. Another example.
I have quite a few assignments.
Very nice. So this means you have a lot of assignments. A lot of homeworks, right?
Yes.
Very nice. Now, let's see these three sentences, the same ones I mentioned before, okay? Yes, the first one. I have
Few.
Very nice. Few friends, and this means
Not many friends.
not many friends. Very nice. The second one. I have
A few.
a few friends, and this means
Some friends.
some friends. Very nice. And the last one here, I have
Quite a few.
very nice. Quite a few friends, and this means
A lot of friends.
very nice. I hope this video will be understandable for everyone, and I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. And if you did, please come back for more lessons on this channel, English with Mr. Habbas. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.